may come a time where you want to post something on internet and you're thinking, where do I post? What would be the best blogging platform? You have numerous options in the market where you can blog, like Wix, like whatnot, but WordPress remains one of the top contenders in blogging hemisphere. WordPress not only comes with a lot of functionalities, but it is widely accepted. It is also supports a lot of plugins where you can change stuff, you can add in a lot of functionalities, and that is why it's the most popular of all. Today, I'm not only going to tell you how to use WordPress, but I'm also going to tell you how to use it for free for testing purposes. And once you are satisfied, you can import that data, buy something like a hosting or something, and then export it there so you don't lose anything basically. This is something which I discovered recently, and I feel that is one of the great platforms to test out WordPress without installing it on your computer, like a local host. So you can have ready-made WordPress in seconds, do all the stuff you want, and then if you like it, you can just copy it. If you don't like it, you let it get destroyed, because it has a timer, it will self-destroy itself. You can also have permanent trial WordPress account if you would like. So let's get to the screen right away. As you can see, we have the screen, and if you say tastewp.com, you go there. This is a website which lets you taste WordPress basically. So what do you do is you just set it up. You do not even have to sign up, but if you sign up, you get a longer period of testing. So if you just set it up, you get it for a certain time period, and if you sign it up for a longer period, if you want to sign up for longer period, you can just sign up. So as you can see, this is the WordPress we have. This is the admin and password. So access it now. It will directly access with the password. So I will reach directly to WordPress. So you see, in seconds, I have my pre-installed 6.0.1 WordPress. It is available for me for 2 days. But if I log in, if I sign up for free, I get it for 7 days. And if I want more, I can refer to friends. And if friends subscribe through me, they don't have to buy, but you can get, if you refer 3 friends, you can get it for lifetime. Like the link in the description, if you go from there, I will get the credit and I can get a lifetime as well. So once you do it, you can just dismiss it, and then you are in the exact WordPress platform or dashboard which you think, or you would have in a hosting, or in a VPS hosting, or in whatever hosting. So as you can see on the left side, we have the dashboard. You have home. The home can be customized. A lot of people don't know, but you can just minimize and you can just remove that. If you want, you can just so for example, you say site health quick draft. I don't want quick draft, or I want it here on the right side. You can do it there. You can add stuff as well. You can have screen options, like for example, you don't want quick draft, you can just cancel it. And I don't want WordPress events and news as well. I do not want at a glance as well, and I just want to put it here. So you see how clean it looks like now. So that looks pretty nice. A lot of people don't know this. Okay, then you go to updates. Updates is the place where you'll see all the updates you may have, and as of now everything is up to date. And then you go to posts. This is the place where you post your stuff. So you do new post, and you are taken to a place where you can, so you just, if you want to have a walkthrough, you keep clicking next. It tells you everything. But if you just don't want to have a, so this is the post. As you can see, here you can add the name, how to use WordPress. This is your title, and then you can add blocks, and you can play with it. How to use WordPress. So for example, you want to publish, you can publish the page and it's published, right? You want to see it, you click on view post, and it'll come here. As you can see, this is the theme we have. Now you might not like the theme, so you say, okay, this is awkward, or this is not what I want. So what do you do at that time? You go to dashboard, and you go to appearance and themes. Here is where you select the themes. You have a by default theme, which is the 2020 theme, but you can click on add new and you can install the popular themes from here. So these will show you the most popular ones. Now you see most popular are 2020, 2022 and 2021. The reason is because of course they come by default, but if you go down, here are some of the themes which are quite popular. So you have Ocean WP, you have Astra, which is quite popular, you have Generate Press, which is quite popular, you have Cadence, which is popular, and you have Hello Elementor. So let's install this one, and once we install this one, we can activate it and we can see how it looks like here. So once we refresh the page, we see that now we are on this page. Now this does not look like this. We thought it would be like this. Yeah, it would be like this. It won't be like this until you customize it. You make it according to your needs. You have to install Elementor as well. Elementor is a page builder which can help you build pages, right? So this is something you have to remember when you are installing the Elementor one. So let's say, for example, we want Astra, right? Because Astra is quite nice. So let's install Astra. You can install as many as you want. They are for free, unless you want to have some premium features. So every theme comes with some premium features like Astra as well. So now if we see, we have different themes. So this is there, so we can customize it according to our needs. So as you can see that we are in the custom page, and here we can change the identity. Here we can buy actually. So as you can see, we can buy it for 49 for one site, I believe, and so on and so forth. Coming back, you can change every type of setting, from typography, which is the colors, containers, buttons and stuff. You can do breadcrumbs, you can do header builder. So you can build headers, like you can build menus if you want, primary menu for example. Yeah, you can create a new menu, and then you can add stuff here, but of course that would come with the content you add. You also have blog settings, like what should be the setting of the single post. For example, you want it like this, without any menu, without any side menu. You can have it with side menu, you can have it one content boxed, you can have it full width, and so on and so forth. So all of that settings will be there. It is showing you in a very nice way. You can always look at it and design your posts. Coming down, you also have site identity, where you will add the site logo and link. You also have homepage settings that will show that whether you want to show your latest posts, or you want to show only one static page. One static page would be, for example, sample page. So it will only show one page, which is a sample page. So you can design just one page, write stuff there, and then add it there, right? All of these settings can be done from this. And the last part, which is the most important one, is out of all these, is the plugins. Here you can install a lot of new plugins. For example, you are starting out, you just want spam protection from comments, you can install that. You want security and you want backup, for example, you can install Jetpack. And if you want, for example, performance or speed, you can add performance. So what you have to do is, if you don't know WordPress at all you have to do is best WordPress plugins to have for a blog, right? So just write it down. They will tell you what blogs you have to do. So you have to do a SEO plugin, you have to do a security plugin, which is Jetpack, you have to do a spam filter, you have to do a cache plugin, which is or cache plugin, which is WP Rocket. You have some other plugins as well. So you can just go to any website and see what plugins are the most popular ones. So here you go. This is how you can test out the WordPress for free and enjoy it. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, and see you in another video.